Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt from Bravo Outpost, and while I was making the video of Star Traders, the full tour of that store in Discoveryland, I also got this thing. And that's Luke's Legacy Lightsaber Legacy Luke Skywalker, and that's the one, the hero saber, a replica of it from Luke's saber in Return of the Jedi, of course. Let's unbox this thing. Okay, I'm getting the plastic off. In this really cool looking box with all these little things on them. Plastic away. It's like a plastic box with a cardboard around it like this. It slides open. This is for the 40th anniversary of Star Wars. The same thing that is on my head, as you can see. I'm gonna put this here, and it comes in this really cool box with the Rebel Alliance emblem on it. Really cool. Okay, this is also a card box. I thought it was plastic. It's cardboard, but it's harder. And I think it opens up with magnets. Yes. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Inside of the box we have a display stand with some kind of foamy thing. We have, of course, this thing, and that's a clip to hang it from your belt. You can attach that behind your belt and then attach the saber to this little clip thingy. What do we have more? Of course, the hilt of the saber and these little things. These are from the stand. Yes, this goes in there. Like that. Okay, I had to charge my phone. Well, this is how the stand looks. You can put the saber in there like this. Nice little display, as you can see. And what's more in the box is, of course, the blade, this one, and the upper part of the saber. You have to replace, because in the movie it looks like this. But to connect the blade, you have to attach this one, and there are also batteries included here. Okay, I'm going to assemble it. Alright, I assembled it, but I needed a screwdriver to put the batteries in. I don't have that, I have that at my van, so I assembled the saber, but I cannot show it to you working. So I'm going back to my van and do the rest of the video there. So it looks like this. Very cool. Long blade. You see. Okay, let's go.
Okay, here it is. Batteries inside. Has sounds when moving. Impact sounds. There you go. And if you like the content that I'm making, maybe give the video a thumbs up, maybe even subscribe to my channel, and maybe even see you around. Bye bye.